Look at these amazing strawberries. My sister and I went berry picking today. Just look at these delicious strawberries. It was actually the first time I ever went picking on a berry farm. I've grown my own berries for years, but our strawberries haven't done well the last couple years, so we didn't have any this year. And I decided it was time I went and picked some so I could make some strawberry jam. So I dug out all the tools that I'll need. I used this old potato masher for mashing up the strawberries, nice sharp knife, strawberry huller, nice strainer for washing them first, and a nice glass bowl for squishing them in. So let's get started. Of course, we're going to start by washing them first, as I'm sure that berry farmers use some kind of pesticide or weed control on them. So let's try to get them rinsed nice and clean. It took me about 1 hour to get them cut up this far, and yes, I cut them into smaller pieces because it's just easier mashing them then. I still have a whole bucket left. So let's get mashing them. The next step is to mix up the pectin. So I put 3 cups of sugar in here. We're going to use 1 package of this low sugar Sure-Jell. This is very important that you stay as exact to the recipe as you can. And then 1 cup of water. You need to stir this and bring it to a boil on medium heat. Boil 1 minute, stirring constantly. It looks rather lumpy, so hopefully these lumps are going to dissolve. After we get this boiling for 1 minute, we're going to add 4 cups of our crushed strawberries. We'll stir it until it's blended, and then we're ready to put it into the jars. Now we need to add the fruit that we pre-measured, 4 cups. And then we need to stir this for 1 minute just to mix it real well. And then we need to cross our fingers that we did everything right and that it sets. This is just going to be freezer jam. One of the easiest ones to make. I've only made it a couple times in my life. It's my favorite strawberry jam. Okay, and that's our 1 minute timer. The final step is to put it into the jars. You want to be careful to leave about 1/2 inch of room at the top because it is going into the freezer and it will expand.